Karis, I don't like dogs. Neither do I.
I can help.
Today's story is called Not Afraid of Dogs. Let's read. And action!
I'm the bravest boy of all, said Daniel. I'm not afraid of spiders. I'm not afraid of snakes. I'm not even afraid of thunderstorms. You're afraid of dogs, said his sister Jenny. I'm not afraid of dogs, said Daniel. I just don't like them. Daniel stayed away from dogs. He crossed the street when he saw one. He left the playground if a dog was there. He took the stairs if one was on the elevator. But Daniel didn't know what to do when he came home and found his mom holding one. Mom, I don't like dogs. I know, honey, but Aunt Rose had to go on a trip. Bandit has no other place to stay. Don't be a fraidy cat, said Jenny. I'm not a fraidy cat, said Daniel. I'm the bravest boy of all. Daniel shut his door and locked it. Dad came home, and Daniel ran to greet him. But when Daniel saw Bandit, he raced back to his room. Daniel, what's wrong? Called Dad. He's afraid of dogs, said Jenny. I'm not afraid of dogs, yelled Daniel. I just don't like them. Daniel sat alone in his room. Time for supper, called Mom. I'm not hungry, called Daniel. He's afraid, said Jenny. Am not, yelled Daniel. Mom brought Daniel a plate of food. Honey, you have to come out sometime. Bandit won't hurt you. Daniel just closed his door. That night, Daniel had to go to the bathroom. Outside, he heard a loud thunderstorm. I'm the bravest boy of all, thought Daniel. Even thunderstorms don't scare me. Daniel opened his door a crack. No Bandit in sight. He ran into the bathroom. Phew, safe. Cried Bandit from behind the toilet. Daniel was too scared to move. There was a clap of thunder. Bandit yelped and ran under Daniel's legs. Ow, ow, ow. Daniel screamed and jumped into the bathtub. Bandit tried to jump in too, but she wasn't big enough. Stay away, said Daniel. His heart pounded. Cried Bandit. Daniel and Bandit stared at each other. Then Daniel's eyebrows crinkled. You're not after me. You're afraid of thunderstorms. Cried Bandit. Daniel's voice softened. Don't be scared. He slowly reached his hand over the tub. With one finger, Daniel touched Bandit's shaking paw. Her fur was soft. Bandit licked his finger. Daniel jerked it back. It tickled. Daniel climbed out of the bathtub and knelt down. It's all right, Bandit. Daniel picked her up. His heart was beating fast. He'd never held a dog before. Bandit stopped yowling. Daniel carried Bandit into his room and put her on the bed. You can sleep with me tonight. Bandit stopped shaking. She snuggled beside Daniel and fell asleep. I'm the bravest boy of all, thought Daniel. I'm not afraid of spiders. am not afraid of snakes. I'm not even afraid of thunderstorms. And I do like dogs. The end.
Wow, that story was so awesome! Amazing, so much courage. I feel so much better since I'm a bear. I'm glad to hear. Are you ready to meet Vanilla Frost? Yes, ready as I'll ever be. Vanilla Frost, meet Teddy, Panda, and Dorothy. Guys, this is Vanilla Frost. Oh, I'm so glad I do like dogs so much. Hi, little guy. I'm glad you liked her. She's adorable. She's my loving girl. The end.